We're now going to look at creating shared steps. If you have an action that's common across a number of test cases and you find that you're writing the same steps over and over again for different test cases, it's worth creating a shared step. Shared step takes out some of the repetitive work when creating test cases, as you can create a shared step once for an action and then add it to any number of test cases that you want. To create a shared step, we can go to the Organize tab and then go to the Shared Steps Manager. This is your central hub for housing all your shared steps. Shared steps aren't just located in the test plan that you are working in at the moment. Shared steps can be shared across any number of test plans that are contained or attached to a team project. So if you have shared steps created in another test plan, then you'll be able to import them and use them in your test cases in here. So in the Shared Steps Manager, we can do a number of different things. We can create a new shared step, open and edit an existing shared step, create a copy of an existing shared step, and create an action recording for a shared step. For now, we're going to create a new shared step. Shared steps can be considered like a test case of their own accord. They're self-contained and they can have a number of things specified or attached to them. For instance, we can add tags to make them easier to find with queries. We can specify the iteration that it was created for, who is assigned to, its state, priority, and area. You can also create a summary of the shared step to give a bit of background information, any links that are attached to it, and any attachments such as documentation or screenshots that are needed. For this example, we're going to create a pretty simple shared step. We're going to create Open Internet Explorer. So this is just going to be a one-step action. Now I have that created, I can save and close. And we can see that shared step is now created. And like I said, I could go back, open and edit and create an action recording for this. First, I want to talk about another way of creating shared steps. So if we go back and we open up a test case, we can create a shared step from in here as well. So there's a number of actions here which are carried out on an internet browser. So I want to insert the shared step that I just created. Sorry, that's the wrong action. Insert the shared step that I just created using a query. Open Internet Explorer. And let's just put this in the right place. So this is going to be the first step of this test case. Now, another shared step that I might want to create is to close the Internet Explorer. So what I can do is I can type this in here. And then come up here and click this button. Now you name your shared step again. And there, my shared step is created. The way you can tell between a normal step and a shared step is that a shared step has got these multiple steps here in the image, whereas a normal step has just one set of steps. And we save and close, And that's how you create and add shared steps to a test case.